What is happening, mediocre people of YouTube? So I know I've been around, but I haven't been making videos. Everything, I gotta get organized here. And then when I did post a video, you guys have no idea what I'm talking about. But yeah, just been real busy. Obviously, we got cabinets everywhere coming in and going out, and now everything's back. And and then I got over here, I got my out drive, trying to get it cleaned up and painted. So, because the boat's going to be coming out of storage here pretty quick. Got all the shit for that, oil and new zinc anodes, and what else? Oh, that's thinner. The paint to repaint it, special primer, gallon of oil, fill it up. Oh man, that's where we're at. I just been busy, man. Haven't been. I know I haven't been making videos, but and a matter of fact, I gotta go back because I know I promised you guys a couple of videos that I still want to do for you. A couple of music videos and stuff like that. Just to explain the last video I did with the amplifier back here. This is my older Carvin X100B, which fucking rocks. This is a very, very early model of the Carvin X100B. It doesn't even say X100B on it anywhere. It just says Carvin. Inside it has the X1, Carvin X100B. But this amp is fucking killer. But it came time, tube went. So it came time to put new tubes in it. So I took it apart and thought I'd clean the pots and, you know, do some general cleaning. I'm not an amp tech. And I want to give a big shout out to Brad the Guitologist. I sent him an email. I didn't expect him to reply or anything, and turns out dude replied, and he's trying to help me out the best he can, and actually a really nice guy. Really appreciate all the help. If you see this video, Brad, can't say enough good things about him. Excellent guy. Also, you know, my buddy Will Galvin, he's helped me out and different things. Actually sent me some tubes, so coffee. So yeah, I'm tired. Been busy, man. Just busy. So I wanted to check in with you guys, kind of explain myself for that last video, because I know you guys didn't know what the hell I was talking about, but I was actually emailing Brad, and I was going to send him the video through an email, and the file was too big, and screw it, I'll just upload it to YouTube, and then he can, you know, take a look at it. But awesome. Thank you. Can't say enough good things. Also, give a shout out to Jerry. I don't know if you guys know Gerald Ray. He's got a channel here on YouTube. He's got a heart of gold, man, and good country player, and got a hell of a voice. So he actually mentioned me in a video, his last video. So give a shout out to Jerry. Happy Easter, and happy Easter all you guys. Hope everybody's doing well. Hopefully I can get back to making some more videos. Like I said, just between the music and trying to get ready here for spring and all that good stuff. Just been busy and haven't been able to get to videos. So, but I fucking miss you guys, you know. But I've been around. I've been commenting and stuff like that. But anyway, we'll get back to it. We'll get into some videos here. I'll tell you what, when I get my tubes and everything, I gotta clean that little dust and shit out of there. And yeah, I'm sticking my fingers in there because I know that amp's been off and it's been grounded out and everything. There's no power in it. Gotta do a little cleaning. Maybe I'll do a video when I put the tubes in. And as a matter of fact, I got to give you guys a test though. I know that's one of the videos I need to do is a review of these pickups. These are, and I told you guys about these before. These are Galvin pickups where, and I got to do a review because the sound of these are just incredible. When I do the review, I'll tell you guys all about it, and you know, about what we discussed before. These are custom made pickups, and man, they're killer. And if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, Will has a new website. It's called rocksolidpickups.com. You can also check out in his YouTube channel. He talks about it. And dude's doing a lot of really cool stuff there. I also kind of want to talk about the Galvin VIP pickups. I don't have a set, but I love the idea, and I can't believe that somebody else didn't patent it long ago. It's a great idea. So, yeah, head over to Rock Solid Pickups. The next two videos should be, tell you what, we'll get this amp going back up, and then we'll do the review on those custom pickups, and we'll get back to it. All right, everybody have a great weekend. Have a happy Easter. Hope everybody's doing well. God bless you and your families and all that good stuff. And peace the fuck out.